Nagagayan yung bones kaya masakit.
May sound pa. Galing talaga niyo ba?
Ulit.
Yung kapatid ko. Ang dami mong ipin. Ang dami mong ipin.
Kompleto
Mas
na.
mabuti. Kasi naman wala na.
Sinasabi ko lang. Maliit yung ipin ko.
Oo, she's smoky. Ano sa kanya? Rat tooth. Rat teeth. Patingin? Kasi ganun. Yung pailalim. Ano yours? Yung ngipin mo. Yung tawag dyan, rat teeth. Nice.
Kaso, wala na. Hindi ko makita yung gums ko, no? Sobrang haba.
Okay. No, you don't see. Ano siya daw?
Wala nga eh. Hindi na nga makita. Sobrang haba.
That's good. Sa kanya naman, rabbit dito sa baba. Ganun.
Oo, nakaganon. Hindi ko alam. Ba't nakaganon?
Okay.
Sa kanya, ang ganda parang hindi ganun.
Straight.
Pag labas ko papalaki yung ipin.
Sakit nun! Gaganon yun. Parang ganito.
Veneers.
Diba?
Veneers.
Yung gums.
Da Vinci
Ginawa sa
veneers.
yung gums.
They're called Da Vinci veneers.
Iba hindi na alam bawasan yung gums.
Kailangan mo veneers din. Kaya kung gusto mo mapaputi yung ipin. White na. White, ano yun?
Maputi yung ipin. Maputi na ipin.
Puti ng ipin.
Magpaputi!
Mapaputi ng ipin. Then, counseling.
Ako? Ayan, nagkabida ka kasi.
Ano naman?
Ako, yeah, after cleaning the room. May general tayo ngayon. Kain mo na. Gutom na ako.
Grabe, until na I'm shaky.
Why?
Dahil sa kanina nagsuka ako.
Tanyahaan.
I'm shaky. Ano na sobrang I thought I was gonna die. As in, seryoso ka rin naman.
Terrible, yo. I'm so sleepy. You slept last night, huh? You slept well? Finally. Kaya itong pancake mo rin. Because you know.
I'm so happy.
Nyaki! Happy! Yeah. So itong pancake. One last one. So ito? One more to go. So, kung ang mangyayari, it's gonna be mahigpit talaga. This Saturday is gonna be tough. What?
I'm so bored. Are you bored?
I want to sleep. No, be careful what you ask for. Watch. I bet you, but when Zell comes back, something's gonna happen.
I hope we can swim. Does it still smell like it smells like sinigang pa?
It smells like cute Doritos.
Oh, we still taco.
It smells like Doritos. Yours is funny.
The best moment ever. I swear. I hope they show that in an Uber.
I hope they show that in an Uber. I hope they show that Uber and Uber again.
Ang ganda.
I hope they show Uber and Uber again.
The wordplay. Galing. Grabe, stopped Hansen pa from rehearsing. You know what?
He did. He really said, I hope I want to see Chris puke. And I thought it was funny that I was like,
It was hilarious because I was right there. I was like, whoa, what's up, man? Yeah!
it looked like it was just going to be a joke, but it was
Not
real.
being me, I was just being happy because I saw it. It's so,
really wanted
so
to see
weird
it.
because I honestly stopped him. Didn't you hear me? I was like, Hansen.
Ikaw sa pagkawalan.
I want to see Chris puke.
I want to see Chris puke, you know. You know the way yeah, and I was so specific pa. I was so specific pa. I was like, you know the way Bugoy pukes when he takes vitamins, yung like that. And he's like, yeah. Then he started singing again. And Chris goes, yan, nandiyan ka na sa loob, yan, nandiyan ka dapat sa loob ng banana. I was just washing the mug. And then she comes close. She's like, hindi mo kaya. I was like, what's up? I was like washing my I was like, shit. And this no stop and help. I was like, yes.
Salamat.
I love you
After, parang pag namatay ako.
You wouldn't have died, man. You just spat out the banana. It went straight to the drainage. Shoot po. And then I was so mesmerized by the fact that I saw. It was like a Is it, wow, it was like,
But the released a parachute of saliva.
oh,
There was saliva. I told you it was like